The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, western Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:42 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Dousman, or 9 miles east of Jefferson, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include northern Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Tallis, Wauwatosa, New Berlin, Brookfield, Beloit, Greenfield, Menominee Falls, Muskego, Whitewater, Pewaukee, Sussex, Elkhorn, Heartland, Hales Corners, Lake Geneva, Mukwanago, Delafield, and Elm Grove. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan